FAM, Dongguan Fine Alignment Metal Products Company Limited, is a reliable company in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province. FAM is located in Hengli Town, which with convenient transportation and with good reputation as the town of molds. FAM was established in 2002. We are a high-tech company that covers an area of 12,000 square meters, and we can make maximum plate size 800 by 2,100 by 3,200 millimeter. FAM has a strong independent research and development team. We manufacture and sell custom mold base of large, medium-sized for plastic injection mold and die casting die bases, precision mold, 2K mold, multi-cavity mold. In the field of automotive, home appliances, communication equipment, sports equipment, medical, office supplies, lighting, metal plate, and machine plate, and also sells various mold steel. Craftsmanship is the key to creating quality. Efficiency is essential for promoting development. FAM is an innovative and visionary company. We have always adhered to the business philosophy of quality first, customer first, teamwork, and continuous improvement. We have gathered a group of high-end and cutting-edge technical talents from the mold industry, 50 senior personnel's management team in the mold industry for over 20 years, and more than 120 specialists. FAM are certified by GB T19001 2016 and ISO 9001 2015 Quality Management Systems. We are the member Mold Association of Guangdong, Dongguan, and the member of Shenzhen Machinery Association, and Outstanding Enterprise in South China. Efforts lead to strength. Mindset determines your success. As the mold industry has developed constantly in recent years, in order to promote the development of our company, we has bought large and medium-sized high-precision CNC. Precision horizontal boring machines, precision grinding machines, CMM from Japan and Taiwan. We are committed to being a first-rate enterprise, producing first-rate products, and providing the highest quality products and services to our new and old customers with sincerity. We will earn the satisfaction of our customers with our sincere attitude. With our high-quality products and services, we've established long-term strategic partnerships with many well-known companies. Our main customers include TK Mold, Silver Basis Technology, Konica Minolta, Wenkin Die Casting, Qixin Mold, Zhongxin Auto Parts, Hirasawa Automotive Trim, Precision Die Casting Mold, and Lingyi Manufacturing. All the above customers are suppliers of Benz, BMW, Audi, Land Rover, Volkswagen, Toyota, Huawei, Apple, Panasonic, and Oppo. Our products are currently sold throughout China and overseas markets. Integrity, innovation, progress, and win-win development are the essence of our corporate culture. Innovation is the key to becoming a leader of dreams. In the future, FAM will promote development in capital, talents, machinery, markets, and sail into the future.